for the Aurora Borealis.
Nope.
Hey guys, welcome to Dagum Diaries podcast. So I'm Ayan, your host, and I'm with Dina, Kens, and Ryan. So our topic for today's episode is all about travel destination. So the question is, if you could travel the world right now, and where would you go and what would you
Why?
do?
Oh, okay.
Okay. So I'm gonna go first.
Okay.
I want to go to Japan.
Oh.
Yes, of course. And I want to explore their cultures. I want to explore different cultures. And I want to see they call the cherry blossom. Yes.
Ooh, the tree.
How about you, Dina?
Well. Hello again, guys. It's me again. um, can I choose? Should I only say one country, or can I have like many as I
I'm
want?
Yes.
feeling that she's going somewhere else. Many places.
As many as one.
It's your choice.
Okay. I really actually have a lot in mind because I would really love to go to Barcelona, Spain, Netherlands for the Aurora Borealis. Why Barcelona is because I want to see the church, the Sagrado Familia. You know that
Sagrada Familia. I'm not
the
familiar.
church, the tallest church. Yeah, I saw it from the movie Barcelona. I love Untold of Daniel Padilla and Catherine Bernardo. Yes. But yeah, anyways, I want to go to Barcelona and see the church, of course. And second, I want to go to Netherlands. I want to see the Aurora Borealis. Is it Netherlands? Am I right? It's Netherlands, right?
A lot of places.
Well, mostly
Snowy
from
area.
yeah, Netherlands and what else? I want to go to Amsterdam. I think that would be the top on the list because I really want to experience the spring there because there's a lot of tulips there. I want to see real ass tulips, real and fresh ass tulips, like in person. Yeah, I want to experience it firsthand. So my answer would be Amsterdam, and what I would do there is to pick a lot of tulips. I would really love to pick tulips on my own.
It's way too much tulips for one video.
But yeah, anyways, next.
I'll give the mic to Ryan.
Oh, okay.
Well, for me, I would like to go to Japan also
Oh,
because
are you guys Japayuki? Because
no,
No.
just joking.
it's because of their food,
Mm.
The food,
the culture,
Mm-hmm.
culture.
and I wanna see the Mount Fuji.
Oh.
What do you want to do in Mount Fuji?
Take a picture.
And that's it.
Yes, that's all. Thank you.
What about their food? What kind of food?
Sushi, ramen, and
I love ramen.
everything.
Where did you get the notion of going to Japan? Don't tell me it's from Ayan.
No, he wants to because he became more specific than I am.
Yes,
So that means he really wants Japan.
and I would like to work there.
Oh.
Then you have to learn Japanese.
Exactly.
Yes. Konnichiwa minasan.
Oh.
Watashi wa no?
Watashi wa no namae wa Ryan desu.
Ryan desu. Yoroshiku.
Yoroshiku onegaishimasu.
Okay,
Oh,
so for me, there are a lot of places that I want to go to as well. First being Canada.
Hmm.
Well, because my
The
girlfriend wants to
leaves.
go there. and she knows people there. So, and like it's a really good place. There are a lot of like uh, sceneries that you can go to, and then there's their library, which is a really fancy library, and yeah, the snow as well. It's cold.
Are you a bookworm? That's why you love libraries.
I'm a semi bookworm, if that makes sense.
Semi? What semi?
I don't have time to read books as of the
But you're
moment.
fond of.
I'm fond of books, but very
Okay.
specific books. That's why I'm a
Okay.
semi bookworm.
Okay, semi bookworm then.
So next I want to go to the country that I want to go to is I'd say Vietnam.
Ooh,
Vietnam.
interesting. Why Vietnam?
Vietnam because I know some people there I met online and I
You
want
got
to like
online friends from Vietnam?
yeah I met them at grade school.
Ooh, bro, what were you doing out there? Online, making friends, bro.
I met them
You're gonna,
from Minecraft.
you're gonna be kidnapped easily.
No,
Minecraft.
I'll learn Vietnamese in a bit, but like I want to actually learn their culture as well, and I also want to try their food
Mm.
because I've heard that their food is
There's
unique
actually
and
some
really good.
similarities from Vietnam and
And
here in the Philippines.
Philippines, yeah, the traffic.
Well, not just the traffic, a lot of things actually.
Well,
Next.
for me, it's because I want to meet my friends and yeah, food and
Uh,
culture. Then the last place I want to go to is I think it's Sweden
Sweden? Why?
because my idol PewDiePie is there.
Who?
And really, PewDiePie, I think he's Swedish.
Of course, then automatically he's from Sweden
Yes.
because he's Swedish.
I want
Okay.
to try their meatballs because it's really good as well. Yeah,
Oh,
I'm
is it
mostly a foodie.
their meatballs same like what they put it on their pasta, right? The
I,
meatballs.
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, it's like spaghetti here.
But it's huge. The meatballs
Exactly,
are
like
huge.
this, like meatball. Like that.
And also
Meatball final
because
boss. Yeah.
yeah, a really big ball. Yeah, yeah.
Oh, balls.
Big ball.
And well, I also want to learn their culture, and that's the place where I want to live
Oh, you wanna
on.
stay there for good?
Yeah, I want to stay there for good.
You wanna live Philippines as well?
I wanna leave Philippines.
Oh yeah, it's like actually the same question. If we're gonna redo the question, if why do you what country will you go to if you wanna live Philippines? I would say Amsterdam. Are you? Is it the same thing with you?
Yes.
Is it still
Japan.
Japan?
Maybe he
Japan.
wants to work.
Japan.
Why am I holding the mic? You hold the mic because you're the
Ay,
host.
sorry. Oh, add up question.
Okay.
Are you gonna travel solo or with your someone special or with family?
Thank you for the very beautiful question. I would say I want to travel with my significant other because um wherever I go, he's there. He wants to be there all the time by my side. So yeah, I'd travel with him.
Son of. For me, I would also want to travel with my significant other. That's the first. Then second is yeah, with family because I also want to give them the experience.
Yeah, same. First answer would be with my partner, and then family, and then the last one would be solo travel. Ling.
Well, I'll travel solo because I'll return to the Philippines after work and then establish business and become successful.
Ah, that's a
Invest.
you have a bright future ahead. How about you?
How about me? I'm gonna travel solo. I want me time, of course. Me time. Yes. So,
Solo leveling.
okay, thank you for watching.
I hope you guys enjoyed.
Alright.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye bye.
Wow.
Bye bye.
Alright.